how do we multiply integers? Madali lang yan. But before we start, make sure that you know how to multiply whole numbers first. Sana matandain ka. To multiply integers, don't forget these two basic rules. First, if the given integers are with same signs, multiply the absolute value of the integers directly, then the sign of the result will be positive. For example, multiplying positive integers. 24 times 15 is get the absolute value of the given numbers. So in here, you will have 24 and 15. Then multiply 24 and 15, you will get an answer of 360. So since we are multiplying with same signs, the final answer will be positive 360. Another example, negative 35 times negative 13. The absolute values are 35 and 13. If you multiply 35 and 13, you will get 455. But what will be the sign of 455? So since both numbers have negative signs, 455 will be positive. So the answer is positive 455. Madali, di ba? Second, if the given integers are with different signs, multiply the absolute value of the integers directly, then the sign of the result will be negative. For example, multiplying positive and negative integers. 82 times negative 16. Get the absolute values first, you will have 82 and 16. If you multiply it, you will get an answer of 1312. But what will be the sign of 1312? Since we multiplied two integers with different signs, so the final answer will be negative 1312. Madali rin, di ba? So now, how do we multiply integers? First, if the given integers are with same signs, multiply the absolute value of the integers directly, then the sign of the result will be positive. Second, if the given integers are with different signs, multiply the absolute value of the integers directly, then the sign of the result will be negative. Madali lang naman matutunan. Share mo rin sa iba para may matutunan rin sila. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.